Hi everyone, welcome back. In a previous video, we have successfully installed Git software. Now the next step is to create an account on GitHub application. In this video, you will be learning how to create a GitHub account. Now you are aware that GitHub is a web-based application which stores the source code. First, you need to sign up to create an account for you. GitHub provides two types of accounts. One is a free and second is the business account. Business account is a paid account for which you will need to make the payment. Organizations are using the business account to store the source code of their project. For learning purpose, we will be creating a free account. To create an account, you need to open the official website of GitHub. Once you open this website, then you need to provide your email ID and fill in other details to complete the sign up process. Once the sign up is completed, then you will be logged into the GitHub application. And after that, you can create a repository to store your source code. GitHub repository is similar to the folder that we create on a computer. Now let's follow these steps to create an account on GitHub. I will navigate to my browser. Alright, so this is the sign up page of GitHub application. In order to create an account, you need to provide your username, email ID and password. So let me specify my username. Alright, so now you can notice I have entered my username and there is a confirmation that this username is available to use. After entering the username, I will specify my email ID. So let me enter my email ID. So now you can see I have entered my email ID. After entering that email ID, you need to enter your password. So let me specify the password. After clicking on the password button, you need to verify your account, right? To verify your account, you have to solve your puzzle. So let me click on this verify button. So let's read the instruction. Use the array to rotate the animal to the face in the direction of the hand. So let me rotate the face of this animal. I'll click on the submit button. Again, the same puzzle is available. So let me change the direction of this animal. I'll click on the submit button. Again, the same puzzle is there. So let me change the direction. Alright, so now this account is verified. Now it's time to click on this create account button. So let me click on this create account button. Now the account is being created, right? In order to verify this email address, GitHub has sent one code that I have to get it from my email ID. So let me switch to the first tab and see what is the code. This is the code which is sent by GitHub. Let me copy that. Now I will navigate to the second tab and enter the code. Alright, so I have entered the code and this account is being verified. Alright, so congratulations, the account has got created. So by following these steps, you can create an account on the GitHub application. Now let's quickly create an repository. To create a repository, you need to click on this button, create repository. Let me click on that. You need to provide your repository name. Let me specify the repository name, Learning GitHub. While creating the repository, you have to specify its type, whether you want to create a public repository or a private repository. In case if you create a public repository, then anyone on the internet can see the repository, right? In case you create a private repository, then you need to decide who all can be the users of that repository. Right now, I want to create a public repository, so I will select the public and now I'll click on the create repository button. Once you click on the create repository button, your repository is created. Alright. So here you can notice the name of this repository is the Learning GitHub. Now in this repository, you can upload your code from the computer. We have seen two things, how to create a GitHub account and a GitHub repository. That's all for this video. Now let's meet in the next video. Until then, happy learning.